Likod. Love it. Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we're preparing French onion soup. It's easy to make, it's fun, and it's yummy. Okay, so the ingredients that we need, but first, what we need to do is prepare beef stock. So we're boiling water with beef bones, and then prepare tayo ng ano niya, pan-taste niya sa beef stock. So we have some onion leeks. Yan. Put in. Just throw it there. Big chunks. Don't worry. And then we'll put in some carrots. No? Some carrots there. Yung. Bagsak mo lang. And then some celery. Okay. Yun. Sama natin konting leaves. Okay. There you go. And put it here. A little of oregano for taste. There. Some bay leaves. Put in some bay leaves. All of this is just for taste. And some peppercorns. Okay. There you go. Ito na yung magiging pinaka-stock natin. So, nasa ilalim, pinakuluan na rin natin yung mga beef bones natin kanina. Okay? So, let this boil for as long as you can. Okay. So, first, let's cut our onions. There. Ito yung first layer ng onion, tinanggal ko para soft yung onions natin later pag naging soup na siya. Otherwise, pag iniwan mo yung outer skin niya, after the pinaka-onion skin, medyo matigas ng konti yun. So, you just want the soft part of the onions. Sarap ng onions, oh. Alam nyo yung onions are rich in vitamin C and vitamin B6 and then B6 and then sabi nila na itong onions can reduce blood pressure. In fact, yung ibang tao nga ginagawa nila, they slice onions thinly, talagang pinong-pino. O kaya yung maliit, tapos nilalagyan nila sa lalagyan nila sa parang gauze or towel, tapos nilalagyan nila sa sole ng paa nila pag sinisipon sila. And then they sleep on it. Tatakpan lang ng plastic para hindi mangamoy onions yung kwarto. And then they say that the following day nawawala yung colds nila. So when we cut our onions, dapat hindi siya masyadong manipis. Just right size, not so thin, not so thick. So we'll prepare a lot of onions. Marami talaga tayong hindan na onions. Yan. Okay. So now that we have our onions here, initin natin tong pot natin kung saan natin gagawin yung soup. Okay. Let's heat it up. And then lalagyan natin siya ng butter. So madami tong onions natin. So maganda marami rin butter. That's it. Sarap talaga yung butter. Love it. I love butter. We're cooking this in slow to medium heat. Hindi dapat madalian ang pagluto ng onions natin. Okay? So now our butter is melted. Prepare natin yung onions. Okay? Yeah. Oh. Yun. Kailangan lang every once in a while haluin mo siya until mag-wilt na yung onions natin, until maluto siya, mag-brown and mag-caramelize siya. Alright? Yeah. And then to make it taste good, we'll put a little garlic maya-maya na pagluto na tong onions natin. And then we'll season it with little pepper and salt. Tapos isa-serve natin siya with crostini, with bread and some cheese. We'll use dapat Swiss cheese, no? Di ba Gruyere? Pag wala kayong Gruyere, you can use any other cheese, no? Pwedeng Emmental, yun. Kasi pareho naman basically yung texture niya and yung taste hindi nagkakalayo. Okay. Check natin yung broth natin. How it's coming along. some salt. So, let it boil. Sa mga restaurants, they prepare this ahead of time. Paano matagal talagang lutuin tong onions to get it caramelized, no? Alam nyo ba kung saan nag-start itong onion soup na to? Nasabi lang nag-start daw to during the Roman times. Itong onion soup na to, ang talagang madalas na mag-prepare ay yung mga may hirap, yung mga peasants, tsaka yung mga farmers nila dati. Yun daw mga talagang unang gumawa nito. Paano kasi sa farm, kung ano lang yung available. Yan. Available itong onions marami. So, tapos meron silang cheese. Papakuloan lang sa tubig, tapos lalagyan ng konting lasa. And then, may konting cheese, may konting tinapay. Yun na yung meal nila. Pero ngayon, wow, social na pag sinabi mong French onion soup, di ba? Maliit na tasa, pero ang mahal-mahal sa restaurants. So, after 15 minutes of cooking this in low heat, you will see na iba na yung color niya. It's beginning to caramelize. And ang onions, pag naluto siya, nagkakaroon siya ng sweet taste, no? So later ibabalance natin yung sweetness niya. Lalagyan natin siya ng konting red wine just to balance the acidity and the sweetness of the onions. Acidity coming from the red wine. Yan. Okay? Let's check yung broth natin, how it's coming along. Wow. Oh, beef broth talaga. Very good. At this point, you'll see na our onions are getting brown and maganda na yung caramelization niya. So give it a little more time, then we'll put some red wine. What I can do at this point, I'll put in just a little garlic. Okay, just a little lang. Good soups kailangan medyo subtle lang yung paglagay mo ng flavor, hindi kailangan na overpowering siya. So, we'll put in 3 bulbs and mix it a little. Ang ganda na ng color. But we'll cook it some more. But at this point, what we'll do is we will deglaze this with red wine. In choosing red wine and putting it in your food, make sure na itong wine talaga naiinom mo rin. Hindi siya basta yung red wine na minsan pangit na ng taste eh. No, it has to be real good wine. So, subukan nyo. No? Okay. Good. Oh, pare. Ang sarap. Nakakalasing. Hindi ka ba nga kumakain? Uminom ka ba? Nalasing ka na. I don't know if I'm going to put this sa pot or sa glass. Sa pot. And then to deglaze this, we'll put in about half a bottle of this red wine. Yan. Yun. That's about mga a cup and a half or 2. Okay. Yan, para deglaze natin dun. Yun. Okay. So just keep on stirring it. And mawala na yan. Tatanggal yan. So that's where all the flavors are. So itong red wine will balance the sweetness of the onions because of the acidity of the wine. So broth is done. We'll keep this on the side. And then what I'll do is I'll move this here para while we're cooking our onions, I'm already preparing our bread, our French baguette. Okay. Okay. And then we're going to toast this. Yun. 2, 4, 6, 8. Sakto na yan. Kukuha natin siya ng butter. Alam mo, pag French cooking, mas gusto nila gumamit ng butter instead of oil. So, konti lang. Half that. Yan. We will toast it. Ayan, mainit na mainit, oh. Toast it here. Okay. Then halo ulit sa onions natin. Ayan. Para hindi siya masunog. Yan lang, oh. Beauty. Our onions are almost cooked. Okay, nag-reduce na yung size niya in more than half. Kanina, puno talaga itong pot natin. So by the time we're done with this crostini, with our toast bread, pwede na yan, luto na yan. Yung toast bread na may butter. Kagkahumota ko yun. Emal! Nathan. Okay, nice. Good. Nice toast, oh. I'll toast lang the other part a little more. Let's take out our bread. Okay. Nice toast. Okay. And we're done with this. Take this out. Put this back here. Okay. At this point, gawin natin, mag-grate tayo ng cheese. Pag gumawa ka ng French onion soup, what they really use is Gruyere. So pag wala kang Gruyere, you can use other Swiss cheese, no? Like me today, I'm using Emmental. Basically, it has the same taste and the same flavor. So you can use this for your French onion soup. Okay. Diyan yung cheese natin. Ilagay na natin yung broth natin dito sa onions. Because our onions are cooked already, see? Beautifully caramelized. And then we'll cook it further with our broth. Okay, halay ko ito dito. Nice. Yun. Some more. Yan, pag kulang pa yung soup, then you can always add more. Okay, let's just mix this. Nice. Add some pepper. In one of the comment section ng page natin, sabi nila, why do you have to use ground pepper? I use fresh ground pepper because pag kinumpare mo yung taste at yung aroma ng freshly ground pepper, mas malayo talaga siya sa nabibili mo na ground pepper na. Yeah, nice. Let's mix it. I'll finish it off with some balsamic vinegar. And this balsamic vinegar, I bought this sa Terry's. Kasi ito, age ito 25 years. Grand Reserva balsamic vinegar. Yan. Sotaroni. And if you taste it, it is so good. No, take a taste of it. Drop. Just a dash of this. There. Balsamic vinegar. Mix it. Bango. Okay. Beauty. Nice. Okay. Put this in a cup. Once nasa cup na siya, we'll cover it with Emmental cheese on top. Like that. Put a lot of cheese pag gusto mo. Yeah. Don't be scared. There are no rules to this. Then put that on top, toasted bread, and then cover it again with cheese. And at this point, we're going to broil this. Teka, broil natin dun. Broil this, put this inside. Yun. Kamunti nung tumapon. Wait, 5 minutes. Okay, until mag-brown lang siya. Okay, set broil. Hottest temperature. There you go. Start. Okay. Lalabas natin. Ito. Look at that. Magic. So ito na brinol na natin yung cheese niya. So here's your French onion soup. Let's try this. The bread is soaked in soup. Really good. The soup is a little sweet because of the onions. Imagine we didn't put any sugar, but the red wine and the balsamic vinegar, balance the sweetness of the onions. Thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma at Home. This is Richard Gomez. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to press on the notification bell para alam nyo kung meron tayong bagong video na ipapalabas. Okay? Do this in your own kitchen. Cook this for your friends, for your loved ones, and let them enjoy your home cooking. Alright? So bye-bye. See you next time right here in Goma at Home. Bye.